Hey there, affiliate marketers. Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of paying for ads and not getting the results you want? Well, today I'm excited to share with you a game-changing system. Say hello to Rapid Traffic Flow. Rapid Traffic Flow is a brand new traffic strategy. It reveals how under-the-radar affiliates are pulling in massive free traffic. This system taps into powerful traffic streams unnoticed by most marketers. It's perfect for beginners, frustrated affiliates, and anyone seeking simplicity. No list, tech skills, or budget needed, just a few minutes a day. Works in any niche: health, fitness, online income, dating, pets, crypto. Rapid Traffic Flow is launching soon with a $400 cash prize contest. Promote a product set to take the affiliate marketing community by storm. Front-end offer at $13 with a 75% commission rate for affiliates. Multiple high-converting upgrades in the funnel. Ready to unlock the secret to floods of free traffic? Click the link below.